Right now we're going to be connecting some accounts contextually. So you first, when we started this module, when you saw our getting started video, you should have already had signed up in contextually, at least for a 30-day trial, if not for the full-blown account. So I'm going to just go ahead and go to an account, dummy account that we have set up to show you how to connect some accounts today. So here's the page where we connect accounts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to settings, and it's going to ask me about all my email stuff and my social media. So this is stuff we want to go to here. So I'm going to show you how to connect an email account right now. So basically, you can pretty much put any kind of account in here that you want. You can just, and you basically just sign up, you push it, you click it, and then it's going to add it in. So I'm going to add this one. And it's going to ask if you can manage my stuff and my contacts. Like, yeah, that's cool. And boom, there we are. So it's already in there. The next thing we're going to go to is social. So basically in our social, you just lock it in right here. So these are already connected up. But as you see, you can go to settings. It's going to tell you what it does. It can tag your contacts with LinkedIn interest. I'm going to save that. All right, cool. And then basically you just go to that place and connect them up there. Now, this is the apps part of it that has an API, which is kind of just a software key that goes in. So I obviously have BombBomb hooked up. So if you have a BombBomb account, you can connect it. You have an API key down here. And basically, it walks you through those steps of getting those two apps to talk to each other. If you guys have MailChimp accounts, you can connect them here. Again, this is a dummy account, so it just has a few things hooked in. Google. So you can have your Google contacts turn on, all those apps sitting in there. And again, you have settings for everything you want to do. So actually, I need to save the credit and things in there. So I'll close that back up. But yeah, so this is where you connect all this stuff and how you integrate all your deals in here. You have calendars, so if you have an iCal, Google Calendar, any kind of calendar, you can add those in there. Now, if you have aliases for all your stuff, you can have those plugged in. Now, I'm using Safari right now, but there's plugin installs if you use Gmail and Outlook. Obviously, we have the contextually as an iPad, an iPhone app, an Android app, and that you can connect through like Google Chrome, so you have the apps built in right into the deal. I'm not going to show you that. That's kind of a power user feature, and I just use Safari and the regular stuff. But that's how you connect all your accounts. Like I said, it's very simple. You just roll through. It lets you add whatever kind of account you have. If you have an IMAP account, you can put it in here. You can have default subject and signature in your bodies of your emails. That goes there, so it's a uniform all the time. Like I said, social accounts, real easy. Just use your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn credentials, and that's going to apply all your stuff to your contacts and merge in. Again, if you have any apps, just go to the app area. Again, if you want to click down through these and check them out. BombBomb's great for video. A lot of you might have Wise Agent, so you can back end all your old data and put it in here and really stay on top. But yeah, that's how you connect accounts and contextually. Next, we'll go through how to kind of do some other user features in contextually.